Welcome to the brief overview of CabinetCut Lite 4.0. This is designed to be the easiest way to specify your cut, drill and edge cutting lists to your CNC machinist. This version is currently only available for Mac OS X 10.11 or greater. The Lite version is free. It can create files to send to the Pro version. It is only the Pro version which has the capability to export to CNC machines. The data in CabinetCut 4.0 is divided into three areas. Firstly, there is a collection of components, which are groups of holes to suit the specific requirements of different hardware. Secondly, there is a collection of templates of panels that can be called up and added to your cutting list. Finally, there is your cutting list made up of panels containing various components. Let's first look at creating a component. Type in the component name and then tab out of the text field. Click on the Start New button to commence entering component data. Enter the diameter of the first hole, followed by the X and Y position and the depth. When you press Enter Hole, you can see the hole displayed in the drawing panel. Continue adding holes until the component is complete. Once you have completed your component, press the Commit Component button to save it to your component library. We will create a second component for shelf holes. The XPOS and YPOS fields allowed for limited arithmetic calculations. Once we commit this component, you can see it added to the library. One final component to add. Let's now go to the Job Details tab and create a new project. Click the New Project button and include all relevant details. Then we move to the Data Entry tab. A simple panel to enter first is a shelf. Add name, width and height, and then Create Panel. You can now see it in the drawing. You can edit the panel by making changes and then clicking Commit Edit button. Finally, enter the required quantity and commit the panel to your cutting list. Next, we will create an end panel with components we saved earlier. Select the component from the drop-down list and enter its insertion point. Coordinate 0, 0 is the bottom left corner, so first component is aligned to the left edge and 100 mm from the bottom. Coordinate fields include simple arithmetic functions as well as the parameters W and H. The parameter H is height, so our second component is inserted aligned to the left and 100 mm down from the top. We can centre our shelf holes vertically by using H divided by 2. We can align our second set of shelf holes to the right side of the panel by using W as the X parameter. This time we need to flip the shelf holes horizontally so they are placed to the left of the insertion point. The construction holes are added in a similar manner. This time, instead of committing the panel to the cutting list, we will add it to the template library. Now the template is available to insert into your cutting list. It can be mirrored by using the Flip H checkbox. And it can be modified by width or height on insertion. Components that were entered with parameters will recalculate to the new size. Once you have finished entering panels, your cutting list can be saved and sent by email.